If you want to decline incoming calls on the lock screen on iPhone 17 Pro or Pro Max, then here's what you need to do. So if the phone is locked and someone calls you, then in that case, in order to reject the call, you can just simply press the side button and then again. So you can just quickly press the side button twice in order to decline or reject the incoming call. Later on, you can of course go to for example, the phone app in order to find out who called you and so on and so forth. And that's pretty much it. Oh, and in case this option is actually not working for you, if you double press the side button and nothing happens, then what you need to do is we can go to settings, over here open accessibility, then go to touch, and over here make sure that this option prevent lock to end call is off. This option should be disabled in order to be able to reject the call with the side button. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.